Good morning, my dear students. UC first year, class 16. I will explain example number 6. Example number 6. Here, 3 marks questions. 3 marks questions. If x plus iy whole to the power 3 is equal to u plus iv, then show that u by x plus v by y is equal to 4 times x square minus y square. If x plus iy whole to the power 3 is equal to u plus iv, then show that u by x plus v by y is equal to 4 times x square minus y square. Here this is LHS. Keep in your mind that is here in the form of what? 3. Let we know that formula, that is here x plus iy whole to the power 3 is equal to u plus iv is there, that is u plus iv. This is in the form of what? A plus b whole cube formula. We know that a plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. Apply x take a, y take b, a plus b whole cube formula, that is a cube x cube plus b cube iy whole cube. Here in this place, a is what? X, b is what? I, y. Plus 3, a is what? X, b is what? iy into a plus b, x plus iy is equal to u plus iv. Simplify this one, that is x cube as it is plus here ab whole power n can written a power n, b power n. This can be written I power 3, y power 3, I cube, y cube plus I times of 3xy into x plus iy is equal to u plus iv. Here this is, we know that I cube value is what? Minus I square value is what? Minus 1. Keep in your mind. Here x cube as it is, I cube value minus I times of y cube plus multiply start I as it is 3x square y plus here I into I square 3x y into y square is equal to u plus iv. Here I square value is what? Minus 1. X cube minus I times of y cube plus I times of 3x square y minus 3xy square is equal to u plus iv. Here this is, these two are imaginary, these two are reals. Equality of a complex number, separate for real, separate for imaginary. Equate real and imaginary parts. Real part x cube minus 3xy square real part plus I taking common, first right positive, second right negative, 3x square y minus y cube is equal to u plus iv. Separate real and imaginary, equate real part u, imaginary part v. That is separate real and imaginary part, equate real and imaginary. That is u is equal to what? u is equal to here x cube minus 3xy square, 3xy square, and v is equal to 3x square y, 3x square y minus y cube. Equate real and imaginary parts. That is u is equal to x taking common, x square minus 3y square. V is equal to y taking common, 3x square minus y square. X take it down, u by x is equal to x square minus 3y square. V by y is equal to 3x square minus y square. Equation number 2. Add 192, add u by x plus v by y is equal to x square minus 3y square, x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square is equal to x square plus 3x square, these two 4x square minus 4y square, 4 taking common, x square minus y square. Yes, prove that. That is here 4 times x square minus y square. Listen here, if x plus iy whole cube is equal to u plus iy, this is the consider, this is in the form of what? A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is what? X, b is what? iy, a cube x cube, b cube iy whole cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to u plus iv as it is. Here ab whole power m, a power n, b power n, I cube y cube. I cube value is what? Minus I. This is multiply here x cube minus iy cube plus I times of 3 into x, 3x square y plus I into I square. I square value minus separate real, separate imaginary, equate real and imaginary part. Here real part is u, imaginary part is v, because this is a plus ib form, a plus ib form, u plus iv, u plus iy. This is real part, this is imaginary part. That reason real part without I, imaginary part with I, that part separate. Understood? In this place here u is what? Real part, v is what? Imaginary part. This is here real part, this is here imaginary part. Separate real and imaginary parts. And last add 192, we will get the answer. Example number 7. Example number 7. If a plus ib c plus id e plus if g plus ih is equal to a plus ib, then show that a square plus b square c square plus d square e square plus f square g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the question, keep in your mind. Here complex, here square, a is a real part, b is a real part square plus imaginary part square. Keep in your mind, show that what? Real part square plus imaginary part square is what? Definition of the modulus. Yes. Solution. Let a plus ib c plus id e plus if g plus ih is equal to a plus ib. Right. Take modulus on both sides. Take modulus on both sides. Take modulus on both sides. Modulus of a plus ib c plus id e plus if g plus ih is equal to modulus of a plus ib. Here that is modulus of a into b into c into d up to so on is there. This can be expressed modulus of a, modulus of b, modulus of c, modulus of d up to so on modulus. This is the formula. Separate modulus. Modulus of a plus ib, modulus of c plus id, modulus of e plus if, modulus of g plus ih, modulus of a plus ib. By the definition of modulus, definition of modulus, definition of mod square root of a square plus b square, square root of c square plus d square, square root of e square plus f square, real part square plus imaginary part square, under root, square root of real part square plus imaginary part, square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. That is here, because root a, root b, root c, root d up to so on, that is at a time take root a, b, c up to so on. That is the formula. At a time, that is here a square plus b square, c square plus d square into e square f square into g square h square is equal to square root of a square plus b square. That is here root x is equal to root y. Root get cancel x is equal to y. Here square root get cancel, that is therefore a square plus b square c square plus d square e square plus f square g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b square. This is theory plus CET, very important point of view. CET also helpful. CET also this is helpful. Direct modulus. Listen here. Show that you are keep in your mind. Show that is very important. A square plus b square. This is what real part square plus imaginary part square. That is any complex number a plus ib form, then real part square plus imaginary part square definitely take modulus on both sides. Here real part square plus imaginary part square, definition of modulus. This is the, let consider the here form of complex number, product of complex, take modulus on both sides, modulus at a time, individual modulus, individual modulus, individual modulus. Apply for the modulus definition, square and root get cancel. Next example, example number 8. Find the number of non-zero, find the number of non-zero integral solution, integral solutions of the equation modulus of 1 minus I whole power x is equal to 2 power x. Solution. Question is what? Find the number of non-zero integral solutions. Here non-zero integral solutions means there is no zero integral solutions. Here let in the equation in the form of what? This is the modulus 1 minus I, modulus of 1 minus I whole power x is equal to 2 power x. This is what? Modulus. Do you know that the modulus definition, modulus formula is what? Square root of, in this place real part is what? 1, imaginary part is what? Minus 1. Real part square plus imaginary part square whole to the power x is equal to 2 power x is equal to 1 square, negative square always positive, whole power x is equal to 2 power x. Here 1 plus 1 is what? Root 2 whole power x is equal to 2 power x. That is, here there is a root 2 power x is there, 2 power x. Modulus square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. 1 square is 1, negative square always positive, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is root 2. Here root 2 whole to the power x is equal to 2 power x. In this place, that is here root a whole power n can written a to the power n by 2. This is the formula, law of indices. Because here root means 1 by 2, a power 1 by 2 whole power n is equal to a power n by 2. Otherwise, by the law of indices, a power m whole power n can written a power m into n. 1 by 2 into n is what? n by 2 by the law of indices. Here root means 2 to the power, root means what? 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 2 power x. By the law of indices, a power m whole power n can written a power m into n, a power m into n. 2 to the power x by 2 is equal to 2 to the power x. By one more law is there, because a power x is equal to a power y, which implies x is equal to y. Same base, powers are equal. X by 2 is equal to x. X by 2 is equal to x. Here x is equal to 2x. Understood? X is equal to 2x. That is, this can be written 2x minus x or x minus 2x. That is, 2x minus x is equal to 0. 2x minus x is what? X is equal to 0. It means what? If there is no solution for integral, if there is no integral solution here, that is, here if there is no integral solution, x is equal to 0. If you write last, that is, number of non-zero integral solution of the given equation is number of non-zero integral solution of the given equation is 0. Is 0. Listen here once again, I will explain. Modulus of 1 minus I whole to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x. This is the definition of modulus. Definition of modulus is what? Square root of real part square plus imaginary part square, power x as it is equal to 2 power x as it is. 1 square, 1 plus 1 is what? 2, root 2 whole power x, 2 power x. Here root 2 is there, here 2 is there. Convert same base, anyone, left or right. Suppose this is root 2, this is also converts root 2 into root 2. But here 2, root value 1 by 2. Root is what? 1 by 2 power x. Do you know that the formula? A power m whole power n, a power m into n, 1 by 2 into x, x by 2. Same base, powers are equal, x by 2 minus x is what? X by 2. X is equal to what? 0. Or this 2 take right side, x is equal to 2x. X minus 2x or 2x minus x, anyone take. X minus 2x is minus x, x equal to 0, or 2x minus x is what? X equal to 0. Here non-zero integral solution is 0. Non-zero integral solution is 0. Non-zero integral solution is 0. Next example number 9. Example number 9. If alpha and beta, if alpha and beta are different complex numbers, different complex numbers or different complex numbers with modulus of beta is equal to 1, then find modulus of beta minus alpha divided by modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar into beta is equal to, then find beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar into beta. Right. Solution. Here one formula is there, that is here keep in your mind. Z be a complex number, x plus iy. Z bar is what? X minus iy. These two complex numbers, z be a complex number, x plus y. Z bar is what? X minus iy. Suppose z into z bar is what? X plus iy into x minus iy. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. I square value minus 1, minus plus. This is the value. Here z into z bar value is what? X square plus y square. Suppose here modulus of z whole square value is what? Modulus meaning square root of. Real part is what? X square. Imaginary part is y square. Square is there, square as it is. Square and root cancel. X square plus y square. Its meaning is what? Z into z bar is equal to modulus of z whole square. Both meaning same. Listen here. Z into z bar is equal to modulus of z whole square. This is the formula for the properties of conjugate. Here z into z bar is equal to modulus of z whole square. Here this is a very important point of view. This is z be a complex number. This take complex number. This is a one complex number z. This take z. Let modulus of z whole square is equal to z into z bar. Z into z bar. Z into z bar. That is modulus of z. Here beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta modulus whole square is equal to, write z. Z means what? Beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta. Here into z bar. Bar means bar. Beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta. This is conjugate. Is equal to beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta here. apply conjugate in each complex. Beta is there, beta bar. Alpha is there, alpha bar. 1 bar, 1. Alpha bar, double bar. Alpha bar, alpha bar. This is beta bar. Because here alpha double bar is equal to what? Alpha. This is the formula. Because Z be a complex number x plus iy, Z bar is what? X minus iy. Z double bar is what? Z double bar is what? X minus iy becomes x plus iy. This is a complex Z. Z double bar is equal to Z. Alpha double bar is equal to what? Alpha. Beta double bar is equal to what? Beta. Z double bar is Z. Alpha double bar is alpha. Beta double bar is beta. Here next product. These two product simplify. That is the product of these two simplify. That is here product is equal to beta into beta bar. Beta into beta bar. Beta into beta bar. Plus minus minus beta into alpha bar. Product of numerator, product of denominator. Next alpha start. Here beta complete. Next alpha start. Minus alpha beta bar. Minus minus plus alpha bar. Any doubt here? Beta beta bar minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar minus minus plus alpha bar. Numerator is over. Denominator. One time start, one time multiply, alpha beta times of multiply. 1 minus alpha beta bar complete. Minus start, minus alpha bar beta minus plus. Here alpha bar beta bar carefully. Alpha bar alpha, beta bar beta. Note alpha bar alpha, beta bar beta. Alpha bar, beta bar. Product alpha bar, beta bar. Clear? Okay. But given one condition here because beta into beta bar, that is the formula is modulus of beta whole square. This is the formula. Here beta value is what? Already given 1. 1 square is what? 1 square is what? 1. This is the given modulus of beta. This can be written beta bar. Value is what? Modulus of beta whole square. Beta bar formula is what? Modulus of beta whole square. Z bar is what? Modulus of z square. Z bar is what? Modulus of z square. This is the given. In the given, yes, here is there. That is equal to modulus of beta whole square minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus alpha bar whole divided by 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha bar modulus of beta whole square. Modulus. Here because in this case modulus of beta is what? 1. 1 square is what? 1. Because modulus of beta whole square is equal to 1. Substitute this place 1, this place 1. 1 minus beta alpha beta bar plus alpha bar divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta plus alpha bar. This is 1. Both are same, get, cancel, value is what? 1. Listen here, very important for CT. Alpha and beta are two different complex numbers. In your notes is different type. No, in your notes different type I will explain. This is in my own method. In NCERT textbook in different method is there. This is my own method, very simple and shortest. In a theory or theory helpful, same as it is. You write theory also, marks should be same. But here carefully write, in your theory, the lengthy process is there. Theory procedure is lengthy. I will shortcut method is there. In my own method, I will this example change this point. Answer should be same. Here my own method is there. In theory is there, big method is there. I will write shortcut method, but mark should be same. Here modulus of beta is equal to 1. This is the given. Find this value is what? Sometimes show that is equal to 1. Sometimes show that is equal to 1. This question asking. Here one formula is there. Modulus of z square is equal to what? Z into z bar. This is the formula. Modulus of z square. Here modulus of z square is equal to what? Z into z bar. This is the formula. Keep in your mind. Complex, the product of complex and its conjugate are same. Understood? The product of complex and its conjugate are is equal to modulus of z whole square. Properties of modulus. Properties of modulus I will explain already. Properties of modulus I will explain already. This is modulus of this whole square is equal to z into z bar. This complete, this inside is there, treat as z. Now I treat as z. Yes, modulus of this complete treat as z. This is a complex number. I will treat as complex number. This treat as complex s square z z bar. Write individual bar, beta bar, individual bar, alpha bar, 1 bar, 1, alpha double bar, alpha, beta bar. Product numerator, product denominator. Here numerator product, denominator product, but condition beta into beta bar formula is what? Z into z bar modulus of z whole square. Beta into beta bar modulus of beta whole square. Yes, modulus of beta whole square. But modulus of beta value is what? 1 square value is what? 1. Here modulus of beta. Listen here. Modulus of beta is what? 1 square value is what? 1 square value is what? 1. Here that is modulus of beta square. These two values are 1. Here numerator denominator value are same, get cancel. Here square is there, take right side, definitely value is what? 1. This is beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta modulus whole square is there, remove square, which implies that is modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta is equal to 1. This value is what? 1. Any doubt? This is here miscellaneous examples, extra examples, you home practice it in your work. Understood? Okay, I will continue to the tomorrow.